everyone, thank you for watching Together with Dhanu and welcome back to yet another video. Firstly, I just want to say thank you so much for completing 500 subscribers on this channel. I am really overwhelmed, really very happy. Matlab, a girl who had 30 subscribers will achieve 500 subscribers is just a journey. I mean, it took so long to me complete 500, approximately an year. So I just hope that I achieve 1k super soon in this year itself. So let's hope for the best, and I know that you guys are gonna help me in achieving that. So dil se shukriya aap sabka for supporting, for loving, for having faith in me. Thank you so much. Okay, so welcome to the first Q&A on this channel. I don't know why I've been avoiding this topic of Q&A on my channel, and I've been getting so many questions, especially after my CBSE vlog went up. So I thought, okay, it's the right time to tell you guys more about myself and to answer all of your questions. Yeah, I've written all of your questions here. I'm gonna answer them. And so yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay. So I have so many questions in front of me. I don't know which one to pick. So first question I'll pick is, what are you currently pursuing? Okay, so I am pursuing BCom because I had commerce in 12th. So yeah, I'm continuing with my stream. I am in first year. And if you say that why not BCom honors, that I'll come to know about in my second year. Like, to take honors in second year, that is what I know. So yeah, I will tell you then jab maine lena hoga, because I also don't know whether I'll do honors or I'll just do simple BCom. You'll get to know about this. No worries. Let's move on to next question. I have some similar set of questions like where this wholesome positivity comes from, and a similar question is, how do you always stay motivated and active? So like, if you talk about positivity, I must tell you that I'm a kind of a person who gets demotivated very quickly. Like, instantly मैं बहुत जल्दी demotivate होती हूँ, and I don't know why you guys feel that I'm very motivated. It's not true. I mean, I do get demotivated too quickly, but the thing is कि मैं बहुत जल्दी motivate भी हो जाती हूँ. Demotivate तो बहुत जल्दी होती हूँ, but उसी speed में motivate भी होती हूँ. And I have so many good friends, so many good people in my life that just keep me motivated and get going. So yeah, that's the source of motivation I have. How do you stay active? Well, ये बहुत बड़ा झूठ है. How do you stay active? Like, I am not at all active. I think मेरे से बड़ा कोई आलसी नहीं होगा. Like, I think you should ask mama papa like how active I am. I'm not at all active. That was the answer to the question. Moving on to the next question, and this is again a similar type of question. Like, two people have asked, whenever you feel like pissed out, what do you like to do to make your mood better? And a similar question is, what do you do when you feel a bit low? Okay, interesting questions. I think I've talked about this in one of my videos about that jadoo ki jhappi. But apart from that, whenever I'm feeling low, the first thing I do is I just talk to myself. Where did I go wrong? Or why did this happen? Like, I try to just analyze and figure it out. And when I'm not able to find any solution, I just simply go to mama or bhaiya or papa or anyone in the family or my friends, like anyone. I just go and I share. Like, I don't keep it to myself. I just, मैं बस बांट देती हूँ अपना दुख, मैं अपने तक रखती नहीं. एंड बिकॉज मैं अपना दुख अपने तक रखती नहीं, तो फिर मैं ज़्यादा देर तक डीमोटिवेटेड या लो फील नहीं करती. मतलब मैं ना दे देती हूँ, भाई रखो दुख, आप लोग रख लो. और मेरी मम्मा का तो ऐसा कि ना ऐसा होता है कि मुझे ऐसा फील होता है व्हेन आई टेल मम्मा ना, तो मेरे सारा जो भी दुख दर्द बोझ बाज है सब मम्मा को मैंने ट्रांसफर कर दिया, एंड आई एम चिल. आई नो दैट इज सो बैड, बट या दिस इज it is how it is. Can't help. मेरा आंसर इस क्वेश्चन को लेके यही होगा that if you're feeling low, if you're feeling pissed off, talk about it, share it with someone and just clear it out and move on. Okay, so jumping off to the next question, let's go. Favorite song? I don't know why I wrote this. मेरे बहुत songs favorite हैं. I'm not gonna say particular one song का answer, but current favorite is Libas. It's a Punjabi song. I mean, I'm liking this song so much. So let's move on and see next question. So this one is quite interesting. So which one is better, this or that question hai ye? Being born good or overcoming your evil nature through great effort? Okay, so this basically question is saying ki what would you prefer or which one is better according to you? Pretty interesting. I don't know why I'm not spontaneous with the answer. Like, okay, I think the second one, like being born as an evil and overcoming it with great effort, would be my choice, because I think challenges are good in life to have. What is life like according to you? It is that you have challenges, you just overcome them, then again new challenges come in front of you, you again overcome them, you just encounter that happiness and joy of overcoming and achieving that particular thing you were targeting and aiming, and then this is an ongoing process which goes on and on and on. So I think being born as an evil and trying to overcome that would be more interesting for me. So that's the answer for the question. Let's move on to the next question and see what is in there for me. Let's see. What would be a perfect day for you? I will say it's a cute question. Firstly, I don't believe that there is any perfect day, like a perfect day even exists. I just don't feel this way. But I will tell you my happy day. Be to have good food on my plate and wo bhi khub sara, and having either watching a very good movie or web series or enjoying some really soothing calming music in background. So that's my happy day. Long phone calls with a friend or meeting a friend or anyone, or maybe sitting with mama and chatting. Like in total, gupshup plus acha khana plus music plus web series maybe. So to be more specific, it'll be my chill and happy day. Let's move on to next question. Name 5 people who are dearest to you. I have so many people in my life whom I respect so much, I love so much, and I connect with them so much. So I don't think that I'll be just able to name 5. I don't want to restrict myself to 5 people. They're like, this list is endless. I have you all in my life, like you. I can't name each and every one of you na. So I will say like each and every one of you watching this video are dearest to me. So yeah, that's the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Where do you see yourself after 5 years? I'll be answering this question in terms of YouTube. So I definitely want to increase my reach and increase my subscriber base. So I will not be saying it in a particular specific numbers like itne ho jaye. Jitne bhi honge, main bahut khush hongi. Another question related to future. What are your future plans? What's your aim in your life? And I think this is the most frequently asked question to me, that what do you want to be, what do you want to become, what do you aspire to do? Okay, I don't know even how to answer this. I'm not sure. I will not say I don't know. I will say I am not sure right now, because you know my interest keeps fluctuating. Sometimes I'm thinking, okay, this is right for me, I'm gonna do this, and I'm decided, okay, this is the thing I'm gonna do, okay, done, final. And then another moment I'm like, no man, I need to do this probably because maybe I am fit for this. So I just keep on fluctuating here and there, and I know it's important to decide on one thing and work towards it. So I'm just giving myself a little more time to analyze and to understand as to what I really want to do. So I'm taking my own time, and whenever I'll get the answer of this question, this particular, like a specific answer to this particular question, I will give this answer to you as well. Like पहले मुझे मिल जाए फिर मैं आप लोगों से share करूँगी. Let's move on to next question now. Okay, so next question is, what's the raz behind your great confidence level? Firstly, I'm happy that you feel that I'm confident. Thank you. Thank you for appreciating. And Raz की बात ये है कि I have been always very active in participating in different competitions, you know, debates and speeches and hosting and everything. So I've been into all of this throughout my school, and I think that's the very reason that I've built up this much confidence of mine. You know, I too had the stage fear, but I think constantly participating in different competitions and exploring the different avenues just like vanished my stage fear. I think if you are like young, if you are a student, and I will just say one thing, that in case you encounter on any opportunity, do grab it, do participate in the competition events happening around you. Don't think it's a wastage of time or something. you will definitely learn from this. Like at least I have learned from this. Apart from that, I want to thank all my lovely teachers because they showed faith in me that Dhanu kar legi. Dhanu को भेजते हैं, you know, for recommending my name. So if any of the teachers are watching this video, thank you so much. And even they know that it was because of constant participation in different activities and things that अपने ऊपर थोड़ा faith और confidence आया. Okay, I can do this. So yeah, that's the answer. Let's move on to next question. This question is again interesting. What was the inspiration behind starting your own YouTube channel? Okay, so this is also one of the most frequently asked question कि क्या inspiration थी, ऐसा क्या हुआ था कि you wanted to do a YouTube channel. Actually, you all know, like you've watched my videos throughout, and if you know me, you would have realized that I love talking to people. I love speaking. I just love to interact. And I needed a platform to do that, and what could be better than YouTube? So that was the reason that I finally started. Though I have a lot of YouTubers who inspired me, like उनको देख के मेरा बहुत मन करता था that I should have a YouTube channel. I will probably reveal that in another Q&A video because you have not asked this question. So I'm gonna cheat here a little bit. Okay. Next question is, what changes are you planning in the content of your videos? Okay. I'll say I'm not planning to change any content. I will continue to make videos, the sort of videos I'm making, but I plan to include a lot of things. And I will reveal this in another video. I am thinking of making a channel update video where I'll be talking to you all about the things going in my head, that what I really want to do in 2021 on this channel, how I want to go about it. You guys will be interested in watching them. So I just want to do a sit down and interactive video where I talk to you all and ask you all, okay, like I'll be discussing and sharing everything in that particular video. Let's move on to next question. Nice question, like how you manage your YouTube channel and your studies. And a similar question to this is that what all things give you the motivation of doing your next video. So how do I manage studies in YouTube? Shall I be honest? Of course I have to be. It's very difficult. It really is. It's hard to manage YouTube and studies. I will admit this fact. Secondly, it's just not YouTube I'm doing. There are a bunch of other things also I'm doing apart from YouTube. So that's the reason that it gets even more difficult for me to manage. The answer to this question would be that I'm trying to learn how to manage both the things, and I hope that I figure it out super soon. Next similar question was that how do you always find the motivation for doing your next video? Okay, so the answer for this question would be that when you like doing something now, you really don't need any motivation to do that particular thing. So that is the case with me. I don't need any motivation, nor does anyone comes and tells me, hey you have to film your next video. It just happens to me automatically. So that's great. अगर मुझे कभी ऐसे point of time पे लगे कि बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है, I take a break. I don't hesitate in doing that. And the comments I get from you, I mean, that's the biggest source of motivation. You don't need any motivation. वो comments पढ़ो, अपने आप आपको लगेगा अच्छा people are liking, you should make more. So yeah, that's the answer. Let's move on to the last question. Who is your crush? मुझे तो एक ही meaning पता है, crush. Just kidding. Firstly, तो मैं सोच नहीं रही थी मैं इस question को include करूँगी. But then I thought, question ही है, let's answer this. What's the big deal? I am making a Q&A video and I'm bound to get such kind of question. I don't have any currently, मतलब अभी में नहीं है, आजकल में कोई नहीं है. जिस दिन होगा, I will let you know. That's the answer. So yeah guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this first Q&A video on this channel, and I hope you got to know more about me. And in case I left on any of your questions, just drop it in the comment section. I'll try to make sure that I answer it there or probably in a next Q&A video. And yeah, do tell me how do you feel about this video. Just drop a comment there and like this video in case you enjoyed watching this. If you are here for the very first time and if you have met me for the very first time, please consider subscribing because I come up with a lot of amazing and variety of videos which you will not regret watching, and I would love to see you on board. So yeah, until we meet next, stay together, grow together, and that too together with Dhanu. Bye bye guys.